Our climate is changing rapidly, but are you doing something about it? The changes are in the way we live our lives, both big and small. And you, my friend, can reduce your own personal carbon footprint and also encourage family and friends to do the same. Act for the good of our planet and help to fight climate change. My name is Benedict, and with me, Shami and Javier, allow us to share with you how deploying UTICA Solar, one rooftop at a time, can help reduce the effects of dangerous greenhouse emissions and make the planet a healthier and brighter one. Each individual, when using solar energy, goes a long way. Every individual, family, or enterprise that switches to solar energy will help to mitigate carbon emissions, fight climate change, not only around us, but around the world. So join me in my personal quest in search of the good of our planet.